Have you ever looked at an old photo and thought, man, I wish this wasn't blurry? What if I told you you can literally bring it back to life in one click?
Curious how AI can actually simplify your daily work? You're in the right place. Here we break down powerful AI tools into simple, practical steps so you can save time, boost productivity, and create smarter without stress.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm testing out a tool called Remini AI. And honestly, this might be one of the easiest ways to upgrade your photos and videos instantly. No complicated editing, no Photoshop skills, just upload, click, and boom. Let's see if it actually lives up to the hype. So right off the homepage, Remini makes it super clear what it does. It's an AI photo and video enhancer that sharpens, unblurs, and improves your media instantly. And you can already see it from the main preview. There's this before and after slider showing a blurry image turning into a super sharp, detailed version. And honestly, the difference is kind of crazy. It's not just small tweaks, it actually rebuilds details like skin texture, lighting, and clarity. Let's be real. We all have old photos, low-quality screenshots, blurry camera shots, or compressed images from social media. Normally, those are just stuck like that. But Remini basically fixes that problem by turning low quality into high definition, restoring old memories, making content look clean and professional, and it does it without needing any editing experience. Now this is where it gets interesting. From the menu and features shown, Remini isn't just a basic enhancer, it actually has a bunch of specialized tools. Unblur and Sharpener fixes blurry images instantly, Denoiser removes grain and noise, Old Photos Restorer brings old photos back to life, Image Enlarger, upscale without losing quality, Color Fixer, improves faded or dull colors, Face Enhancer, adds detail specifically to faces, Background Enhancer, cleans up the background, low quality enhancer, general improvement tool, video enhancer, yes, even works on videos, so it's not just one tool, it's like a full enhancement suite. What I like is how simple everything feels. There's literally a big Choose Files button, or you can just drag and drop your photo. No confusing settings, no sliders everywhere. And based on the preview alone, it looks like the AI is doing most of the heavy lifting for you. Also, the before versus after comparison is super satisfying. You can instantly see the transformation. So here's how you'd use it. Upload your photo or video, pick the enhancement type, like face, color, or general. Let the AI process it. Download the improved version. That's it. And from what we can see on the page, it's designed to be fast and beginner-friendly. One thing that stands out is how Remini positions itself as the only photo and video enhancer you'll ever need, and honestly, with all these features combined in one place, I can see why. So yeah, if you've got blurry photos sitting in your gallery, this might be worth checking out. Try it yourself, see the results, and let me know what you think. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.